she said.
Why are you opening your mouth?
That was $2, so a waste of money.
Oh my god, my hair!
Michael, let's go first. Michael! Okay, that's it.
Hey, should I post
Your
this on,
mouth was
on
waiting.
YouTube?
Oh my gosh,
The
my
air
hair is
tastes
all
really
static.
bad.
Really?
Yeah.
78 miles per hour. 78.9.
Oh my
Should go
gosh.
higher.
Okay, tell me, was this a waste of money?
Kind of, but it was kind of cool still.
Whoops. Was this a waste of money?
Yes, if you want your hair to get messed up, it's not, I guess.
Well, that's why you put gel on.
No.
Michael, do you think this was I'm not going to ask you.
You think this is you want to try it?
No way.
Both try it?
Michael, let's try it.
I'll videotape you. Is it still going?
Yeah.
Hi, I look horrible.
This is really good quality.
Hey,
Okay, guys, remember it's clear. Don't do anything I wouldn't do in there.
I feel like static.
don't show it on the camera. Hi, I'm Ismail, by the way. You've never seen me on YouTube. Oh.
What happened?
Dorks.
And you press end, okay?
Yeah, when?
When it flashes.
Let's tell secrets. Okay.
Then he'll put it on and we can't hear. They won't be able to hear.
Oh, it's going. I didn't press end.
Like nothing's gonna happen.
I'm feeling it out here.
You guys are so cool.
Look at Michael.
Wow.
Look at Ismail's hair. Look up and make noises. Look up and make noises. Go ah. You guys are horrible. This is not fun to watch. That was it?
That was stupid.
That was stupid.
It was better when we were in there.
That was a waste of money.
No.
Hey, Michael, I farted.
What did you think of it?
It was retarded.
You guys didn't do anything funny.
Blow dryer.
Oh.
I thought you said anything else. Cochino. He keeps calling me a slut.
It's because
Have you
he's
seen
a
her?
slut.
Hey, don't you dare laugh. All right, say bye, everybody.
Take it easy.
She says bye and I say bye. Bye.